Hmm. Hello guys, this is Big Bear. So today we're finally gonna do our video on this uh, Blacksmith meltdown event. So as some of you guys know, I've been really busy these days, so I haven't really been able to play. Of course, I've played in the Conquest event. Oh, the worst thing. Yeah, I don't know what it's called officially. Yeah, I did my best here, so I'm number one in my alliance so far. So it's a really great thing. Uh, but today we're just gonna go ahead and do our pro meltdown and see if we can get more pros before this event ends in like 7 hours and 8 minutes. We're gonna turn the volume down a bit because it's kind of too loud. Okay, so those kind of whispers. Okay, so yeah, let's just go. Let me screenshot this. Let me go ahead and see what things we have to melt down. Probably not too many, because I've already melted down uh, many items before, and I didn't really get a chance to get more of those. So let's go ahead and check our our chests inventory first. So we got some Conquest Pro chests. We're just gonna go ahead and grab those. I don't think we're getting. Oh, we're getting items. I thought we were just getting pearls and gems and etc. Okay, I'm gonna melt this now. Yeah, some really good stuff in there. Maybe that these runes are not too valuable to me. I think, at least for now. This thing is useless. Let's melt this down. Let's melt this down. Yeah, not really too much. Oh, some guardians. Gorok. We're just gonna open these. Okay. Let's grab our runes. Let's go take a look at our magical market. We have 50,000 potions. Well, yeah. That's we could maybe try to get our pro chest here, but it's kind of expensive, so I don't think I'm gonna be spending for those. Yeah. Ooh, I didn't know there's a rune for mortar. Toxic puddles linger on the battlefield. Increased movement speed of the mortars, so attack obstacles. So that's really cool. Okay, well. Anyways, let's just open our magic potion chest. Let's see. Can we get 30,000? Oh, 20,000. Okay. Not too bad, I think. Not too bad. So we have 7,000 now, I think. Well, I actually think we might be able to get a. Oh, wait. There's a unique skin here. Is this mortar? I think it is. Let's go check. I think it is mortar. Oh, it's already active anyway, because of the season. Or we're gonna grab it before we forget. At the end of the season, we're just gonna grab it now. Right now, let's get this. I think we're actually eligible for what is it called? Gasper now. Wait, probably not. But where should I get it? Well, I thought we were able to get Guardians. Oh, here. Oh, 75,000. Oh, We're not there yet. We actually don't need it though, because we actually get what we need. So, a lot of guardians. Yeah, so see, these are, we have 13 more Gasper left. This is gonna be able to get us to power it up to level 7, which is the maximum level of Gasper. So, we don't need any more Gaspers. Okay, so now, let's see if there's any more chests, more items we can melt down. Probably don't need this one, or do I? Do I need that? Oh, I have duplicates. I'm just gonna let this down. Oh, we're short of gold. Can we sell some things? Oh, we have legendary magic chest. Let's get some gold. So we've been hoarding all these items, so that's why we're able to like do these videos in one go. We're gonna spend some gems to speed up the process, of course, for this video's sake, because I don't want to do many sessions, and so we're gonna have to like do many edits if I decide to do that, and it's gonna be very painful because it's a lot of work, and I might be trying these kind of styles in the future, but probably not now. Okay, we get some gold 3. Okay, 5. It's pretty neat. Oh, Uber chests. Oh, these are really nice. Let's see how okay for. Any more pro chests? Yeah, we got some pro chests. What is this? What is this? Sanzu. Just gonna make this now. Sorry. Well, sorry, not sorry. Okay, we got some gold. Let us continue. We're gonna knock this down. We're gonna. What else? What else? What else? Come on. Let's see. I probably don't need these. I think I don't need these. Oh wait. Why am I here? I should probably go down here. Oh, what is it now? Let's go to the right side. We've got some duplicate blood pumps. Oh, it's really hard to keep up. Probably don't need a whole boots. It's not important for me right now. Black magic. What is this? Do I need that? Sorry guys, I'm just being extra careful because I don't want to mess up to not know something I need, possibly. Oh, there's duplicate pickaxe. Let me get one of those away. Are they the same price? They're not the same. Oh, let's sell more stuff, babe. Let's maintain and chest. Get some gold. Okay, gold over chests. I'm just gonna sell this. I'm such a terrible person. I think that's enough gold. So we're at the pickaxe, right? Yeah, let's yeah 136. We need one more. So get our slots occupied. We need something that's so important. To be honest, Wait. What is this? Bomb kick aura. Is that even useful? Scream for 6 damage. This is nice. We don't need this. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get to make what 3,000? I guess. Let's see. Blacksmith. Let's boost. And okay, let's do it. Yeah, that's a lot of pearls. Poetry chests. Well, let's check our poetry. Okay, 8, 9. Okay. Rare alliance chest. We have 55 of those. I don't get it. What? We have so many? Oh, common alliance chest. Okay. We have 51 ring chests. Okay. Not so important right now. Uber chest. Let's melt some more things now. Is it airdrop? We're just gonna get it. Oh, we don't have enough gold. We're just gonna sell it then. Gonna sell. Gonna melt down. Oh no, gonna sell. How many more chests do we have? Not a lot. Okay. Well. Oh, that's a lot of pearls, even from such low-level items, low-tier items. Yeah, so guys, there's actually some other stuff I'm trying to do today. We're gonna forge our Sonic Blast spell until it reaches until it gets to 75 forges, so we can unlock this second rune slot. I think it's gonna be more powerful. We already have level 5 on Sonic Blast Vortex. Let's go ahead and check how powerful it's gonna be. Okay, let's go to our testing base, the second one. Okay, we're just gonna try out Sonic Blast one more time. I like to do this sort of kind of like comparison in a video. Let's just Sonic Blast it. Yeah, it's quite good. Ooh, okay. Okay. That's I should probably take this base more seriously, so as not to like, die so easily every time I do a test video. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I suck at this. Okay, boom, bye bye. Oh, it's not gone yet? Okay. Yeah, it's the max level castle gate anyway. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna go forge our Sonic Blast spell right now. 38 seconds. Okay. No one cares. Okay. Let me see. Well, we're gonna get to 20,000 damage. So let's go. So guys, this is only possible when there is a meltdown, a Blacksmith event, because the cooldown is just 100. It only costs 100 gems. This is not possible if it's not for this event, because normally it costs like 700 gems. Yep, gonna spend all the pearls we got from the meltdown we just did. Am I charging my computer? Yeah, I think. Okay, it might feel like uh, it might feel boring to like kind of just press on forge and like skip cooldown. But actually, it's kind of neat. Like you're only able to do this during an event like this. So I'm I'm thankful for this event. Are we there? Are we unlocking? Yeah, we unlocked it. Okay. What? Oh, we are not there yet. Can we get to 20,000? Is it even possible? It should be possible. Let's see. I wanna. Oh yeah, I can just get a forge. I can just do the damage run, right? Uh, but I wanna get there myself first. Then we can apply our rune. Okay, one more. Just one more. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna use my own data. It's better. I'm gonna get it to 80 forges. So that looks like a better number. I don't know. Okay. So and we're gonna put a second rune. Okay. Cooldown. We have power rune with cooldown. Which one is better? What's the cooldown for this? 11 seconds. So damage or should we forge damage or cooldown, guys? I really have no idea at all. No idea. It's 11 seconds. Okay, 11 seconds. I don't know, guys. Cooldown or damage. Which one is better? What do we do on this one? It did increase power. Sure. Of course. Okay. I feel like I want to do damage. Because cooldown, it's not always useful to have too much cooldown because sometimes you're waiting for opportunity to cast a spell. So there's wait time, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter those little cooldown time. You just have to like get it to a really. You just have to get the gap to get really big, but not necessarily when it's getting really low. Let's do damage. Let's do increase power. Yeah, that's what it's called. Okay, let me upgrade this. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it to like to level 4, so we can get it. Okay, wait. I'm kind of curious. Can we get a level 6 rune? How expensive is this? Let's see. Yeah, so magical market and runes. Oh, it's just hero item. There's no spell rune, right? I don't think so. Nope, there's no spell runes. What is this anyway? Oh, this is the okay, yeah, and this. Okay, let's go and attach our rune. Okay, it's 2005, 20,005, and let's upgrade. We have to increase power rune. Let's please get it to 40, 39. Okay, just 33 and 86. It just got there. It didn't even do the countdown animation. But it's 33. Okay. Oh no, it's on the right. Sorry. Oh, 4.58. That's really nice. Okay. Let's do the math here. So it's maybe like 21,000 now. Okay, yeah, 21,000. Not a lot, but it's respectable. Let's test it again. And it's probably not a lot of difference. So let's test it out for fun. Let's see how strong it got. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna be serious this time, guys. I'm not gonna die off this time. I was being reckless, just wanting to test out the spell, and I was just going in front and not caring about other things. So Phoebe is gonna come later, but no, we're fine. We're fine. We're so fine. And come on, Phoebe, we're not afraid of you. We're gonna kill you all. See? Bye. Yeah, I'm liking this this spell, Sonic Blast, a decent spell, really decent one. So what do you get? 55 seconds, even longer than previous one because we used the time warp scroll, but yeah. Okay. Well, guys, I guess that's it. Let's see if anything else we can do it. Let me forge some other spells for fun. Oh, I have an idea. Let's get our Hammer Strike spell to 100. To 100 forges. It looks cooler when you reach that benchmark. I feel like having some music. We should probably replace it with better runes, but not now. I'm not going to do that now. It's not tired. Okay, 100. Okay, what other runes to forge? Yeah, these runes I've did some heavy forging on, so it's basically maxed out. Of course, not the runes, but the spell itself, the perks. I've got them really well upgraded. Okay, black magic. Okay, let's keep going. I probably shouldn't keep forging on these spells because it makes so little difference now. I don't know. Let me guys, let me know what you guys think. We can forge this one. Petrified chance. 9. Okay, let's do it one time. Brutal. Okay. We're not gonna forge powerful because look, it's all mixed up. Absolutely all mixed up. Okay. Sure. Nah, I don't want to keep forging. I'm kind of tired. Oh, 150. We're getting to 150 forges. How much time we spent on this video? Okay, so Archer. Not a lot of forges. I actually just maxed it out on its level recently, maybe the past month, 1 month ago, 2 months ago. Don't really remember, but it's kind of an essential troop unit, so I kind of needed it. Froster is really good for defense to slow down the enemy from attacking. So yeah, I maxed it out some time ago too. Yeah, so I just ended up really forging them before I called it a day and turn off the video. Just kind of feel like, yeah, we should probably forge this so that after like 10 hours when the event ends, we can do one more forging, because it's like cooldown is just 9 hours. Okay, with mortar. Oh, I also maxed this out like some time ago, not long ago. So you guys may be wondering, you can just focus on 3 units, right? Because like that's all you can use in the battle. I think it's kind of true, but unless you're using your black magic spell, I think you can just mix out all other units then, because you'll be recruiting all other kinds of armies and troops in a battle, and that's gonna add the diversity to your troops, and you'll strengthen your power, I think. Yeah, not a lot to forge now. Oh, 153. Also another heavy forge. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my Viking. It's 50,000 health. It's really cool. Okay, let me see if I need to activate any boosts. I don't think. Yeah, everything is good. Everything is good. Okay, I'm gonna donate. Did I donate today? Let's go. Gold. Oh, I have enough gold. Okay, we'll do that later. Let's get this. And yeah, some other things. Oh, we forgot to change our defense back. Just robots. Should I forge? Yeah, I'm gonna forge this. Aha. Oh, actually, I'm gonna heavy forge it. So you guys see, this is really funny. So these are level 2, and this one's level 8. So I'm gonna trick many people. Like, you know what I mean? They'll think those Jester boxes are doing no damage at all, and when they get to this one, they'll try to attack this bomb tower, and they'll probably die here. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, after this, we're gonna turn off the video. Cette vidéo est trop longue. Okay, 75. Let's see. We can actually test it out first. Let's put a Jester box here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna see how much damage it does, actually. Okay. Okay. We took out half of our health. I had some monster cupcakes with apple juice. Okay, let's forge 1-5. Okay, let's see. Let's add some damage to it. Increased power. It has. Oh, wait. No. Let's actually use this to get it to 75. Because yeah, okay. Too bad. Okay, I'm just gonna change this back. Okay. Guys, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, let me know what kind of video you want me to make in the future, and I'll probably see you next time. See you guys. Bye bye.